Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to download and install ThinkorSwim in your desktop. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to google.com and type ThinkorSwim download. Now go to this one, it's under Charles Schwab. And scroll down here. If you have Windows, you have to choose this one. If you have Mac, you have to choose this one. For Linux, you have to choose this one. Okay, so for me, I have Windows. So click on install ThinkorSwim. Now to choose the place where you want to save it. So for me, I will save it on my desktop. So as you can see here, this is the installer. Now click on the installer here. You have to wait for a few moments. Choose the language you want. So for me, I will keep English. Click on OK. Click next. Now here you have to choose your account provider. So for me, I will choose ThinkorSwim Guest Pass. Next. Choose I acknowledge. Next. Choose this one and click on next. Next. Choose this one. Click on next and next. Click yes. And now you have to wait for a few moments. And click on finish. And as you can see here, this is ThinkorSwim. And now you have to add here your login ID. Okay. After that, just click on continue. Okay. And that's it. This is how you can download and install ThinkorSwim on desktop. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.